Welcome class 4 Oak. This is your EVS class and we are going through from the window. We have completed the journey till the Kozhikode as the Anna and Sunil get down in the Kozhikode, and the rest is of the 17th May. They were trying, Omana was just started to pack her luggage for getting down in the next station, and whatever the station it will come after this Kozhikode. After the 3 hours their station will be come. So, the few questions are given that later on we will discuss. Now, at first we will complete this content. Okay. Now, it is night, we have also started packing up. So, Omana also started to packing up. The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours. That means, after Kozhikode it will take 3 hours to reach in Kottayam. Kottayam is another station of Kerala, and they were moving inside the Kerala. Their Omana's friend Anna and Sunil get down in the Kozhikode, and now these Omana was packing up her luggage along with her parents to get down in the Kottayam where she has to be reached. Okay. So, now tonight we will go to Valiamma's house. Where she will go? She will go to Valiamma's house. Valiamma means Dadi's, I mean sister, or you can say the Mausi. Okay. Now, tomorrow's we will take the bus that will take us Amu Amma's village. So, after as they are just reaching to the Valiamma's place today, that means on 17th May, and on 18th May they will start for the Amu Amma's house, and that is the final destination where she has to reach. Now, we all are quite tired. They all were very tired. After all, we have been on the train for 2 days, as they have they had a long journey. They traveled the day and night, 2 days, whole 2 days, that means 48 hours they have been traveled. So, they all were very tired. We had a lot of fun. I will put my diary away now, as she was packing her things for getting down from the train. That is why she started to pack her diary, because now she will on the move, she will in the bus, and in the bus and in the move she cannot write the diary. That is why she had packed the diary, because she thought when she will reach to Amu Amma's place, that time she will again started to write her diary and continue her journey experiences. And she had a great experience on 17th May. So, I will put my diary away. I will write again after reach Amu Amma's house. So, she decided to write all the experiences from Amu Amma's house. Now, we will start the question answers from page 58. Okay. So, write down page 58. Page 58, the first question, which language do you speak at home? So, that this question is actually totally belong to you. Whatever the language you speak at your home, you will write that language. If you are speaking in Bengali, you will write Bengali. If you are speaking in Hindi, then you will speak Hindi. And if you are belong to somewhere other state, you speak Marathi, you speak Kannada, you speak Tamil, whatever the language you speak at your home, you write that the name of that language. Okay. So, this is your own question. You will write the question number 1 is your homework. Okay. So, question 1 and question 1 and 4 is your homework. Now, question 2, what is the question 2? On the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omana's train went through several states of our country. Find out list which states it crossed. So, we will write the states, whatever the states they have crossed, we will write that. Okay. I have written page number 59, question number 2. And I am requesting you to just mute your microphone and turn off your camera, so it will easy to write. Okay. Now, the next question, on the way Gujarat to the Kerala, Omana's train went through several states of our country. Come across the across the way. So whatever the state, so write down they have started. They have started from Gujarat, as Ahmedabad is present in Gujarat. So what is the state? State is Gujarat. So they have started from Gujarat. Gujarat and crossed Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. So they have started from Gujarat and crossed Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. Finally, they entered in Kerala. Finally, entered in Kerala. Okay. So what is the answer? They have started from whatever the states, they have started from Gujarat and crossed Maharashtra and Goa and Karnataka, as well as finally they entered in Kerala. So these all the states they have crossed during their journey. Okay. So the next question. Kindly mute your microphone. I am requesting everybody, kindly mute your microphones. Lots of noises are coming. Kindly mute your microphone. So the next question, did you ever have coconut water? What did you find it discuss? So the answer to answer 3, did you ever have coconut water? How did you find it? Discuss. Yes. I have tasted coconut water and it is sweet. It is sweet in taste. So what would you write? Yes, I have tasted coconut water and it is sweet in taste. It is sweet in taste. Now the answer 3. Answer 3 is or answer 4 is draw a coconut tree and discuss in the class about. So this is the question 4 and 1 is your homework, because drawing I cannot do over here. You will draw your own coconut tree and write about it. What you will write? At first coconut grow in the form of dough, and as unripe coconut water is very tasty. People used to drink it, and when it becomes ripe, that time it calls coconut. Okay. So the ripened coconut is used in as a fruit form. Understood? So you will write it your own 2 lines and you will draw it. And now move towards page number 59. So the page 59, find out which state these languages are spoken. So at first Malayalam, you will write here language, and state. So what is the language? First language is Malayalam. Malayalam is speaking in Kerala. So Malayalam is a language which is spoken in Kerala, and people used to, oh, it's not coming. Language and state, first one is Malayalam. What is the state? Kerala. Second language is Konkani. So the name of the language is Konkani. And where it is being spoken? It is spoken in Goa. Question 3. Question 3, draw a coconut tree and discuss in the class. Question number 1, listen in page 58. Question number 1, which language do you speak at home? This is the question number 1, and I have told you to write your own. Then question number 2 you have written. And question number 3, did you ever have coconut water? How did you find it? Discuss. I have written over here, no, answer 3. Yes, I have tasted coconut water and it is sweet in taste. And the question number 4, draw a coconut tree and discuss it in the class. So you will draw your own. There is nothing to write. In question number 4, there is nothing to write. You will write your own. Okay. Now in page 59, I am writing. Yes, it is written here, no? Yes, I have tasted coconut water and it is sweet in taste. I have written in the board, you see it. Now, Konkani is speaking in Goa. And the third one is Marathi. Marathi is speaking in Maharashtra. Marathi is speaking in Maharashtra. Now the fourth one is Gujarati. And Gujarati is speaking in Gujarat. Now Kannada. The last one is given is Kannada. Or sometimes people used to say Kannad. Kannad is actually speaking in Kannada. So it is a Kannada language. Kannada language is speak in Karnataka. So the language is given here. Malayalam is speaking in Kerala. Konkani is speaking in Goa, whereas Marathi is speaking in Maharashtra, Gujarati is speaking in Gujarat, and the Kannada language is speaking in Karnataka. Now, the last part which is given, and the relationship between, and every relation is given in here, as the all the nani and all that given. So, these all are the relations called in Hindi, and you can write in Bengali also. Your mother's sister is Mausi, and you can write down Masi. So, in Hindi and Bengali both I am writing, you will write your own, okay. So, the what you call them. What you call them. Yes. Now the first one is your mother's sister. Mother's sister. So we call them, in Hindi it is Mausi and Bengali it is Masi. Okay. Next one is your mother's mother. So how I will write? Ma'am, please tell everyone to mute. Tamil. Ma'am, my mother don't have this. Ma'am's side they have written. So, if your mother do not have any sister, but still relations are to be called, okay. Don't think that it is yours or not. What they have to be called, you have to write that, okay. So, the mother's mother is Nani, and in Bengali it is Dida. Now the third one is given here, your father's sister. In Hindi it is Bua, and in Bengali it is Pishi. Okay, and the last one is your father's mother. Father's mother, Dadi in Hindi, and in Bengali, Thakuma. Okay, so the all relations, it is not necessary that they all are in your life or not. Whatever you have your sister or not, you have your father have any sister or not, but what these relations are to be called, you should know them. Okay. So in Hindi, mother's sister is called Mausi, whereas in Bengali we call them Masi, and mother's mother in Hindi it is called Nani, but in Bengali we call them Dida. Now the father's sister is Hindi called Bua, but in Bengali we call them Pishi, and father's mother in Hindi it is Dadi, whereas we call them Thakuma. Okay. So these all are the relations, you should know them and learn them. Okay. So this all are being completed today, and as well as our time is getting over. So goodbye, write down the this video will be uploaded. If somewhere you are unable to write, you can write it down from there. Okay. So goodbye, have a nice day.